हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज क्लास थर्ड सब्जेक्ट मैथ में आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे लाइन, एंगल एंड वर्टेक्स। लाइन, व्हाट इज अ लाइन? अ लाइन हैज़ नो एंड पॉइंट एंड नो फिक्स्ड लेंथ. अ लाइन extended indefinitely in both directions. The symbol for a straight line is xy as arrow both sides. As example, we can write either line xy or line xy. Its figure: a straight line, both side arrow, and a point x and a point y. What is point? A point shows an exact location. It has no length, breadth and thickness. It has minimum shape and size. It is represented by a dot, as a dot, and named by capital letter like A, B, C, D, etc. Line segment. A part of a line is known as the line segment. A line segment has fixed end point and a fixed length. Symbol for line segment is so. Point x and a y. Types of line. The line can be straight or curved. Straight line, it has no end point. Straight line can be horizontal, vertical or standing. As a figure, line so is horizontal, this line is a vertical and this line is a slanting. Curved line, if we join 2 points without a ruler, we find a curved line. As an example, as a figure, this is point A, point B, and next figure, so point A and point B. What is ray? A ray is a part of line and being from a fixed end point R. A ray is a straight line which has a definite starting point, but goes indefinitely in other direction. The symbol for a ray is so. The line, but x is a origin point and on a line a point y. So we say that x, y, so it's called array. Now, what is angle? When two rays starting for a common point, the gap inclination between them is known as the angle. Angle so and so. A ray is so and second row is so. Between them is made angle. Vertex. The common point between two rays is called the vertex. So and so. Both rays are meet here, so it's called vertex. Arms. When two rays starting for a common point, the rays are calling the arms. Vertex and this arms both are called arms. Types of angles. There are mainly 5 types of angles. First, acute angle. An angle which is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Its figure is so. It is less than 90 degree. It is called angle AOB is a acute angle. Angle AOB is a acute angle. So B. Second, obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Figure is so. its measurement is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Its angle is called angle POQ. Next, right angle. An angle of magnitude 90 degree is called right angle. Its measurement is accurate 90 degree. So it is called right angle. Angle MON equal to 90 degree. And next, straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight angle. A line AB and it's have a point and it is full 180 degree. So it is called straight angle. Fifth, reflex angle. An angle whose measure lies between 180 degree and 360 degree is called reflex angle. As A, O, B. So reflex angle AOB, this angle is called reflex angle. Angle AOB is called reflex angle. आज के लिए इतना ही, धन्यवाद.